Hi again guys, this is another update on how far I've got with my garden so far. I'll just open the door. As you can see, I've put up my tomato grow house and there's a shelving unit in there, and at the moment there is 8 strawberry plants. That box that you see there will be going into the tomato grow house with 3 tomato plants in it. I have a box over there with leeks coming up. That black box roughly there has got garlic in it. You'll see it, sorry about that, you'll see another 3 boxes down the back there. They're for my outdoor tomatoes. I have created a 6x4 raised bed. It's going to be a low tunnel, and I'm just waiting on the polythene coming for that. In front of that there is a 4-foot pea trellis. I don't know if you can see the actual trellis in the video. That's going to be for peas. There's going to be a shorter one to the right hand side of that for my dwarf sugar snap peas. I have also purchased 4 fruit trees. Over there we have a golden delicious. There we have a plum tree. There is a conference pear tree. Sorry, that's the plum tree. That's a conference pear tree. And over there we have, if it will just focus, we have a cherry tree just there. I have got 4 30-litre buckets for potatoes, and I have got 2 green sacks for potatoes that's still to be washed yet. These 2 bits of wood here are going to go into the low tunnel to separate it into 2 separate beds, and I think that's about it. So just waiting on the polythene coming. I've got my dwarf sugar snap pea trellis painted. I'm just waiting on it drying, and then I can put the trellis on it. You can see I've put the bit of wood across there to separate it, as I said I was going to do. I have ordered some grass feed and weed and some new grass seed for this part of the lawn. And that is it so far. Most of the work has been done in the garage or the workshop. I'd say my 6x4 raised bed with the hoop on it, if I take in the cost of the wood and the pipe and the polythene, all in all must have cost around £35. That's without the compost, but I'm hoping to get most of it filled with my black compost bin over there. And to me, hopefully that'll be a good investment, because I'm hoping it'll allow me to grow veg, brassicas, i.e. cabbage, cauliflower, over the winter, and have plants overwintering in there. I'll need to check up YouTube videos to see how to do that. Anyway, again, I hope you are all safe, and I hope you keep safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.